How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now this issue has been bothering a lot of people recently, which is a Snapchat media upload problem. So what you're going to do to be able to fix this is simply open your settings of your Snapchat. Over here, as you can see, I'm currently in our app info. So the first things that we're going to do is to clear data or clear cache on our Snapchat. So over here on the bottom right or wherever in your device, there should be an option that would allow you to clear your data. Where click on manage space over here and click on delete app data over here. So deleting it will delete all data involving Snapchat. But don't worry, you should be able to have those recovered when you log into it again. If that method does not work, you could also try clearing cache, which will basically allow you to access the website or the app as if it's the first time you've opened it ever. If none of those work, you could also check your app permissions over here and ensure that you have camera and photos and videos over here in the allowed permission. If none of those work, you could try and reinstalling your app and hopefully that should fix your problem. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.